Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some sunset eyes. I really wanted to play with some oranges and reds, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. As summer is fast approaching, we really want to have some fun and colorful looks that will help us keep the energy alive. So without further ado, let's just jump on into the tutorial. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have already got my base on. I've got my bronzer and a little bit of contour, and then I added some blushes just to like warm up the look. And then I got my highlight going on here. So we're just gonna jumping into the eyes. I'm gonna get a little bit closer to you so you can really see what I'm doing, and then yeah, let's go. Alright, so as you know, I use Morphe palettes just because they are super cheap and super easy to get your hands on, at least for me. So I'm going to be using two palettes today. I'm going to be using the 35B and then my Love 35O. I couldn't remember the name for a second. So I think that we should just add a little bit of brown just to our base, just to make sure we have a nice natural base going on so we're not straight jumping into orange. So I am just gonna pick up a fluffy brush here. So I'm gonna pick up, oops, wrong side. I'm gonna pick up this color right here. And this is a really nice, great transition shade so that you're not really worrying about going too dark, and it kind of vamps up your lid space with little effort. So I'm just gonna lightly buff that into my crease here, and I am going to bring it down all the way into my tear duct area. And then I'm running whatever left on my brush into the lash line over on my outer edge. And don't worry about getting it on your actual lid because we are going to be covering that with the same pigments that we're putting in our crease. So now moving on, we're going to pick up this orange here, and we're going to pick up this orange here and mix it with a little bit of this brighter orange. So it's kind of a lighter tone, and mixing it just so we start to build up that color. I'm going to use it on the same fluffy brush. And I'm just looking into my mirror and I'm just applying it a little bit lower, and then I'm going to bring it into the browns. That's what we got going on so far. It's very simple with a lot of payoff that we're getting going on. So I'm just going to work further into my palette here. So we got these other oranges. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of this one and again mix it with this just so we have a nice color combination so it's not just in there. So I'm just going a little bit lower with this one. And then I'm going to take whatever left on this brush and start running it underneath my eye. So on another fluffy brush, I'm going to start picking up this orange here and adjusting it with a little bit of this red, but more leaning towards the orange. Placing that on the lid. And then we're gonna buff up into our existing oranges. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit more of that first orange, the orange that we just picked up from the 35B palette, this orange right there. And I'm going to blend a little bit more of that on the outer edge, just connecting it up. And then with a light hand, just connecting those in the crease. And then whatever left, I'm just going to run it underneath my eye again. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and just brush up on the top of my crease just so we have some really smooth lines going here. It's looking a little patchy just right on this edge here, so I'm just going to take a little bit more of that second color combination that we used. And just brush that in there. There we go. So I just added a little bit to where I thought it was a little lacking. And that is the eyeshadow done. It's very simple, it's super easy to do. Just mix a bunch of oranges together and boom, you got a really cool eye look that doesn't take a bunch of time to finish. So I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera and then I'll be back to put on either some liner or we may not do some liner. We'll see in a second. All right, so now I'm back with my eyes and I think when I was doing my other eye is that the eyeliner is completely gonna take away from all of the orange work we put in, so I think it's just best to do some lashes and mascara, but if you guys want to do some eyeliner, feel free to go for it. I definitely think it would make a really cool look if you're going to like a festival, even if you did some like glitter liner. There's an idea. That would be really fun. So we're just gonna put on some mascara before we put on our false lashes, and then boom, we're done. So today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. So just generously coat your lashes so they're extra fluffy before you put on your falsies. So now our mascara is on. I'm going to be applying my false lashes in Samantha. So I'm going to pop these on and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, and these are the eyes. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I love this orange that's going on here, and the lashes, although my eyes are starting to water because they're poking me in the eye currently, they make the look so much more like va-va-voom and like 10 times better in my mind. I would totally rock this without the lashes because I don't wear lashes all the time, but adding this extra like little length and definition to your lashes makes it pop substantially. So for lips, we're gonna do a really nude lip, and I wanted to add some gloss into it. So we're gonna be taking two products. We're gonna be taking the Milani Teddy Bear lipstick, and then we're gonna be taking the Hourglass lip gloss in Origami. Actually, it might be too dark. Oops. BRB. Alright, so just change. That one was way too dark. So I'm going to be using the Milani in Matte Naked for my lipstick. Alright, now we're going to add the gloss on top just to make it extra shiny. And that is the look. So we're just gonna set it in place. I'm gonna be using my Dermablend Set and Refresh Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray just to make sure it stays all day long, and make sure you also have something to wind it down just so it really stays in place. And this, guys, is the finished makeup look. I really hope you did enjoy this orange sunset inspired look. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and please subscribe if you're new so you can see some more videos coming out your way. Yeah, I love the way this look turned out. The orange eyes and the lashes and everything is so up my alley. If you wanted to add some extra glitter, which I am totally about, maybe a glitter liner would be the perfect way to add a little extra tie-in. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!